Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll take you through a step-by-step guide on how to view when a community was created in X. Knowing the creation date of a community can provide valuable insight into its history and longevity. Let's get started with the full guide. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Make sure you're on the home screen to begin. Step 2. Locate the middle icon in the bottom drawer of the app. This icon represents the community section. Tap on it to access the community page. Step 3. On the community page, either tap on the desired community icon or use the search icon to find the community you're interested in. Choose the method that suits your preference. Step 4. Once you're on the community page, look for the About option in the top drawer. Tap on it to access the community information. Step 5. Scroll down through the community information until you find the section labeled Community Info. Step 6. Within the Community Info section, check for a sentence that indicates the creation date of the community. It may say something like, created on date. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to view when the community was created in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.